Hello, loves. It's still National Poetry Month, and I know that I've missed a few days, but here I am today. I'm reading poems to you from my new book, Writing by Heart, A Poetry Path to Healing and Self-Discovery, published by New World Library and available everywhere books are sold. Please get a copy of this for you and anybody and everyone you know who feels the call to write. Chock full of writing invitations. Today I'm going to read to you Dark Dance by Hamida Glasgow. Darkness, underneath all, before and after light. My soul stirs, longing for more darkness, dark soup, bubbles of air, nutrients of the four winds, no mind, no thought, no thing. Only and. A continuous soul being, sparkles of stars, my flesh dissipates, my bones dissolve. Night moon, comfort me with your dark lightness before and after the end. Dark Dance by Hamida Glasgow, Writing by Heart. Have a wonderful day.